Hi viewers, welcome to Blood Test. Business has two modules to work. One is the cash line of business and another one is the credit line of business. A lot of us, including us, we fear to go into or take up the credit line of business because of the payment dues or late payment, defaulty payment. There are a lot of ways in which you can channelize properly so that we can confidently get into credit business, which is really going to boom our diagnostic business. See this video till the last so that you get information about the credit business, how all it can help in growing our diagnostic business. Come, let's go into the topic. In our day-to-day business of diagnostic center, what happens is when we are only dealing with cash business, we get some cash, and for all of us, running a small or mid-sized laboratory know that some or the other way this cash, again, a part of it goes into some of the other expenses in a laboratory. When you're dealing with a credit business, one important positive thing we have to note that after a month or 45 days, we get to have a sum assured. That is, we get bulk amount of money. Suppose you're doing per day 500 rupees with some in some B2B business. This 500 for 30 days is usually 15,000 rupees, and you get it as a sum in the beginning of the next month, which you can use it for giving your employees the salary, or for some other, buying reagents, or even for even paying the EB bill. This amount comes to us as a bulk amount, which can be used for our other expenses in the beginning of next month, which is definitely one positive point we have to note. The next point we have to note is about the bulk sampling. If I'm running a diagnostic center and I'm getting B2B business from small or medium sized laboratory, what will happen is that small sized laboratory tend to, give on a daily basis, not only to me, but three or four other laboratories in which there is a good price for whatever test he's going to outsource. When you're running a credit line of business with such laboratories, they tend to give you all the samples to you itself, so that every day you have not just 5 or 6 samples, you might get even 30 to 40 samples per day from a single small laboratory to run at your laboratory. Thereby, the amount of running your samples goes high and the usage of reagents gets low. Thereby, you can increase your profits. This is one important thing. Bulk sampling can be made by doing a credit line of business. Coming to the third point, all big hospitals and other insurance companies, all big healthcare facilities are usually aligned with a credit line of business. So when you want to grow yourself and have big business, big amount of samples to your diagnostic center, then you have to adopt the credit line of business. Because when you're going to go with hospitals and big insurance companies, they usually have a time of 30 days period or 45 days. Some even have 60 days period, but the sum assured comes at that time. So when you want to grow your business, have good amount of samples to your laboratory, and have connect throughout your city in big hospitals and other corporate companies, you need to align yourself in the credit line of business. The only point which will be regularly tingling in your mind regarding the credit line of business is that how am I going to get my payment on time? And this is going to be a really problem for me if it is going to be if it is going to get late. So to avoid this, one important thing you have to sign before you start any credit business is sign an MOU agreement in which you have all the points, when you're going to time, what is the time limit for the credit payment to come, and what are the tests and what rate you're going to give them. So these all have to be clearly mentioned in the agreement itself when you're going to put an MOU with a hospital or an insurance company or a TPA tie-up. All these agreements has to be done on a legal format so that there's no disturbance or there is no other any hindrance in running a credit line of business. And definitely credit line of business is going to give you a good source of income as well as good amount of sample load to your diagnostic center. There's no doubt about it, but the only thing you have to note down is that how efficiently you're going to do this by signing MOUs and agreements and developing trust for your customer and for yourself to get the amount at the right period of time. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, you can definitely subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. If you have any doubts or if you want to know how this MOU agreement needs to be signed and how it has to be catered, you can definitely write to us at PathLab Startup, or you can also write to us and WhatsApp us in the below mentioned number. See you tomorrow with another video. Thank you. Signing off, Dr. Lalita Sendhil.